The closer is a Canadian-made system for injecting plumbing antifreeze into water supply lines to easily and safely winterize water systems. It's a portable unit that connects to valves installed near the hot water tank. Here you see a typical tank with the hot water outlet pipe and pressure relief valve on the top, and the cold water inlet valve on the right-hand side near the bottom. There's also the drain tap at the bottom of the tank. Configuring your system to use the closer involves installing a few valves on the pipes leading to and from the water tank. The first is installed near the top of the tank to allow air to enter the tank when you drain it completely of water. This is a much better way of draining a tank than opening up the pressure relief valve. You'll also need to add a couple of shutoff valves, one on the hot and one on the cold line, to isolate the tank while you're using the closer. Next come another couple of lines, these ones to accept washing machine hose to connect the hot and the cold lines while the closer is being used. There's just one more valve required, just like the previous two, but this one allows the plumbing antifreeze to be injected into the system by the closer unit. When it comes time to winterize your system, you start by shutting off the two valves leading to the tank, then draining the water from the tank completely. Connect the hot and cold lines with a washing machine hose, and then add another hose to the injection valve to connect the closer. Hook the closer unit up, fill it with antifreeze, and then turn it on. As you turn each tap on individually, the closer will inject plumbing antifreeze into that part of the line. Since both hot and cold supply lines are temporarily connected, you'll get plumbing antifreeze distributed to both hot and cold fixtures. When you're done, shut the valves off, remove the hoses and closer, and your water system will be protected against freezing, guaranteed all winter long.